Good day friends, I am here again, Gopa Chakraborty from Kiatala this time, Kiatala store. This is at Calcutta, you must be knowing about this. This is P452B Kiatala Road. Both the stores are open for you. One is at Tollygunge Metro Station, the other one is here at Kiatala Road. Please do drop in, I'll be delighted. There will be a warm welcome for you. Come to our showroom. Let me tell you about my sarees this time. We have got lovely cotton sarees. Lots and lots I am making for this summer. Come, let's have a look at the sarees. This is the 59th episode, dear. এক নম্বর শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি. This is on a pretty, দেখুন একটা ব্লক প্রিন্ট করিয়েছি on ধনেখালি cottons. They're very popular from Greenhouse, specially made for you all. Sari is block printed in mint green, and we don't give blouses with this, you just pair it with any kind of blouse you want. This sari costs 1500. This sari costs 1500. The other one, we bring the other one to you. Number 2, very cool and breezy. Regular shop summer collection. Time to time I'll be showing you all these things. Number 2, the sari is the regular type, 1400 please. All throughout the block print. This is the classy aanchal. 1400 টাকা দাম, 1400 only. This is with the black and white check cotton. Cottons galore. Lot of things we keep making for the summer. This is an Azrak block, and this is the palla is also decorated with Azrak block printed cloth. Look at the sari. The sari is smart, and show me the blouse. This is the blouse. We give a strip along with the 1 meter cloth. This sari costs 2200. Dhonikhali cotton, the typical ones, Bhishon in demand. These are all block printed with this cloth attached, designed to enhance the taste of the sari. Again we are giving this sari for 2200 only. Look at this drape, look at the sari. Look at the portion, achal portion. This is number 4, and this is for 2200 with this kind of blouse piece. And the so desired, the super fine malmal. This is a very premium quality malmal. I could get these, so I thought I'll make some batiks. 5 নম্বর শাড়িতে আমরা বাটিক করিয়েছি. They're all fresh ones, একেবারে fresh batiks. These are on mal cottons. Lined up with the blouse. Show them the sari. This is the sari. Eta achol and the blouse section. As because of the quality, we had to raise the price to 2100. 2100 taka for these high quality malmal. Look at the texture, is so good. Number 6. See the quality of the malmal. Number 6. Number 6 is for 2100. Oh, it's so cool, the color. 2100 টাকা দাম এটা। 2100 please. Now with this kind of blouse, which is at the back, when you make the blouse, this lotus comes at the back. Yeah, the sari number 7. The sari number 7. Look at the village scene. And the yoke portion is highlighted like this. Yoke is highlighted. Jhara pata all throughout. Spray of leaves. This is with a blouse piece, typically at the back. The sari costs 2200 dear. 2200 for this sari. This is number 8. This sari is very typical actually of greenhouse, this butterfly batik, and so it was repeated, not a new design. So we are giving it for 1900 only. We are giving this sari for 1900. What did you turn on? Dharo thik kore. Spread it properly. This is the achal. Fantastic. Number 9. Number 9. All batiks. You will be very comfortable this summer. Use these batiks. Mal cottons. Lovely mal cottons. They are for 2100. They are from our woman team. They worked wonders. Look at this, 2100 with this kind of blouse. Blouse is also so smart. And the number 10. Just a minute. Number 10. Mal cotton. There's a piping border. Red one. Look at this. 2100 টাকা দাম, 2100. And the last of Malmals, number 11. These are all on batik, wax batik, so you can wash and wear. $2,100 dear for all these mals, mal cottons. This time we've got Ajrak prints on Bishnupur silk. Ajrak print on Bishnupur silk. 450 grams weight of the sari. These are all Bishnupur silk. Look at the achal. We don't usually get red ones. Red is so vibrant, beautiful. And the blouse section. This Bishnupur silk costs 5,200. Again, this is on silk. Ajrak silk, printed silk. এগুলো খুব comfortable. This time we sent the silks to those people at Bhuj and we got them made. 5,200 for this Ajrak. 5,200 for this Ajrak. All throughout. The green is all throughout, and we have to show the blouse section. देखो blouse टा देखो. Again on Bishnupur silk. Number 14. Whichever you wanted, let us know please. Number 14. This is the blouse section. These batiks are done here, West Bengal. 15 number shari. This goes for 4,500 please. 4,500. This is that raising design. It is so comfortable. The design goes like this. That's the blouse section. The raising design actually goes like this. I have worn the sari of a raising design. It goes like step by step, it comes up. Very beautiful one. Look at the color of the wax batik. ষোলো নম্বর শাড়ি। So in coffee in color, coffee color একেবারে। This is the Katan silk, 4,800. 4,800. Oh, it is not ironed properly. 4,800, please. Show me the other half. Rest of the section goes like this, all throughout. Number 16. Let me get up. Yeah. The block print on 450 grams silk. Black and white. Special green. Look at this. The other half is this color, fluorescent green. And the quality is so good. And the blouse section. Fresh blue on Bishnupur silk, block prints. Number 18. This is the blouse section. Number 18 is for 4,500. Oh, these are our Gachi tassers. We got them made from Bhuj. Number 19. Number 19. This is on Gachi Toshor. This is the Achal portion. This is on Gachi Toshor, Azrak print on Gachi Toshor. Don't give it from there. And the sari goes that's all throughout like this. And show them the blouse, it's that side. And this is the blouse section. This is the product number 20 I am showing. Now the green one. Look at the color, they are all matte finish generally. They are with organic colors. Number 20. Continue watching, please. Complete the episode. There's a surprise for all of you. Continue watching. This is number 20. This is for 8,200. We'll give you a surprise. Keep waiting. Here's the blouse piece with this. 8,200 for this saree. Number 21. Number 21. Oh, how beautiful. Tiny, small motifs for the blouse. Lovely saree. 8,200 for this saree. 8,200 for this saree. Look at this print. This is number 22. Watch it carefully, thoroughly, patiently. And then choose your pick. And the blouse part of it. $8,200. Gachi Toshor. This is Tussar by Tussar. All are beautiful. All are so good. Show them there's a border there, no? This is a beauty. 23 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন। On Gachi Toshor. Enrich your wardrobe. Be taking all these beautiful ones. The blouse section. We'll tailor your blouse if you want it. This is 8,200. This is with the skirt border. The saree is with the skirt border. Broad border, if not skirt. Very fine. Achal. And the blouse section. The combination. 25 নম্বর শাড়ি দেখুন। Number 25. This is a batik again. Very smart one. Next one. This is 6,800. These are my zari bordered tussar. I have, oh goodness, doesn't matter. ठीक है, we'll do it. There's a zari bordered gachi toshor. With the skirt border. This is the achal section. This costs 5,400 only, please. This is on gachi toshor. Number 27. Number 27. $6,000 for this saree. Yeah, the surprise. We are giving 5% discount on each and every saree this time. So just pick up, hurry up, but make up your mind and then only you just keep us your whatever you wanted to give us, you let me know. So that's all for today, and we are giving 5% discount on each and every saree. They're all fresh ones. They're not stock clearance either. They're all fresh. Thank you.